Bienvenidos al Post, nuestra tienda de ropa. ¿Qué piensas comprar hoy?
Estoy buscando ropa nueva.
Ah, bien. Pues puedes hablar con el dependiente Ben.
Gracias.
Hola, bienvenidos a Post. ¿En qué puedo servirle?
Estoy buscando ropa nueva.
Vamos a los dependientes, Jonathan y Tony. Ponte esta camisa con ese pantalón y estos zapatos.
¿Te queda bien?
Me queda bien.
¿Lo vas a comprar?
Quizás, ¿cuánto cuesta?
El precio es $1000.
¿Por qué tanto?
Pues puedes poner esta falda. Cuesta menos que la camisa, el pantalón y los zapatos.
Me queda bien. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Cuesta $300.
Lo voy a comprar. Gracias.
$300, por favor. Tenga un buen día.
The two grammar topics we will be discussing in this video are stem-changing verbs and demonstrative adjectives.
What are stem-changing verbs?
Stem-changing verbs are verbs that change the spelling of the stems or the base of their words. Some examples of these are pensar, which means to think or plan, preferir, which means to prefer, and querer, which means to want. These stem-changing verbs change the spelling of their stems from an E to an IE. The only exception of this is in the nosotros and vosotros form, where the spelling of the stems stays the same.
For example, in the unconjugated form, pensar has an E in its spelling, but in the yo form, the E becomes an IE and pensar becomes pienso. The same concept is true for querer, which in the unconjugated form is querer, but in the yo form, it becomes quiero.
Forms of the verb pensar are yo pienso, tú piensas, él, ella, usted piensa, nosotros, nosotras pensamos, vosotros, vosotras pensáis, and ellos, ellas, ustedes piensan. The forms of the verb querer are yo quiero, tú quieres, él, ella, usted quiere, nosotros, nosotras queremos, vosotros, vosotras queréis, and ellos, ellas, ustedes quieren. The form of the verb preferir are yo prefiero, tú prefieres, él, ella, usted prefiere, nosotros, nosotras preferimos, vosotros, vosotras preferís, and ellos, ellas, ustedes prefieren.
The other grammar topic we will discuss are demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are words that are used to indicate nouns, and therefore normally come right before the noun. Some demonstrative adjectives in English are this, these, that, and those. The same demonstrative adjectives in Spanish, in respective order, ese, esa, esos, esas, este, esta, estes, estas.
You can remember these through the phrase, this and these both have T's, that and those don't.
Also, remember that the spelling for that and those are exactly the same as this and these, but with the addition of the T.